is Salis Muhammad. Today I want to talk about Slack and the HTTP6. IPv4 assessment. Before understanding stateless address auto configuration, Slack or the HTTP6, we must first understand the concepts of global unique address or GUA and link local address or LLA. Next is IPv6 host link local address. An IPv6 link local address is an IPv6 address that is automatically generated by a host when its interface becomes active. The host uses ICMP v6 router advertisement or RA message from the router to obtain information. Next is first stateless or Slack. Slack or stateless address auto-configuration is a system of or protocol that does not maintain state information about previous communications. There is no device or server that records or manages the assessment of IPv6 address to client for stateless Slack. Next is Slack only. Slack only, this is a stateless address auto-configuration or Slack, and then the router sends an RA or router advertisement message to provide IPv6 information, including the first is network, the second is prefix and length, the last is default gateway. Now, for Slack only, the host automatically creates its own GUA or global unique address quickly and without the need for the HTTP6. Next is the HTTP6 server. The HTTP6 server using stateful configuration, and then the server provides, records, and manages all IPv6 address information for client, including network, default gateway, prefix length, and the last is DNS. And then the HTTP6 server is using suitable for large network. Okay, next is this is a Slack with the HTTP6 using a combination of stateless and stateful. And then the host creates its own address using Slack. The host requires additional information, DNS, NTP, and so on. The server only provides additional information. It does not manage or record the client's IPv6 address. Next, this is a message RA or router advertisement is an ICMP v6 message sent by a router to the local network or LAN to provide IPv6 addressing information. In this I have A for addressing auto configuration or stateless, O for other conflict flag combination, and then M is manage address configuration or stateful. In this page I have array packet combination for Slack only. This is not using A, O, and M. A in here for address auto configuration, and O for other config flag, and the last M for manage address configuration. In Slack and the HTTP6 using A address configuration, A address configuration, auto configuration, and then the O for other config flag. And for the HTTP6 they use also using M for manage address configuration. Okay, next it is packet RS to RA. RS or router solicitation is a request message sent by a host to a router to obtain IPv6 configuration information. Okay, next we have process to generate interface ID. The first is randomly generated, created randomly and uniquely, and then the second is UI64 combined with the interface ID or a host MAC address by inserting the hexadecimal value FFFA in the middle of the IPv6 address. Okay, next for the last, this is a duplicate address detection. In a stateless network, a host can verify whether the newly generated IPv6 address is unique. The DAT or duplicate address detection process is used by the host to ensure that the IPv6 GUA is unique. To perform that, the DAD, the host sends an ICMP v6 neighbor solicitation or NS message to a specially designed multicast address called the solicited node multicast address. If no device responds with a neighbor advertisement or NA message, The IPv6 address is considered unique and can be used. However, if a device responds, it means the address is already in use, so the host must generate a different IPv6 address. Okay, that's all for my presentation, and then we go to the video configuration in application Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, we are now in the Cisco Packet Tracer application. For the configuration, we just use one router, one switch, and one PC. For the IP address, we use 2001:10:10:1/64. Okay, for first step, we go to the router, and then we just using command enable configuration terminal, and then we go to the interface gigabyte 0/0 interface G0/0, and then enter. We add command no shutdown for activate the port or root. Okay, and then we add IPv6 address. We using IP address is 2000:10:1/64, and enter. That's all the configuration, and then we add IPv6 unicast routing, enter. Okay, we go to the PC, and then go to the desktop IP configuration, look at the IPv6 configuration, and then switch the mode in the before static, after this is automatic. Nah, that's configuration is IPv6 request successful. Okay, maybe that's all I can tell you about SLAAC and the IPv6. See you next time.